Good morning. In this presentation, we are going to see how we can trade in MCX crude oil today. Before looking into that, let us see what happened yesterday and what we expected yesterday. Yesterday, crude market opened around 4,780s. You can see this black color box that indicates the price opening. And what we expected yesterday was that we expected crude to maintain its uptrend because for the last week also it is maintaining its uptrend. So we expected the same thing, having supported major support at 4,760 and 4,720. Now let us see what happened after the price opening. So after the price opening, the market initially it came down. You can see it is trying to test this 4,760, a little bit of bounce back and again coming down, and it clearly tested this 4,760, which is a very major support zone for crude market. We had explained clearly, in order for the crude to maintain its uptrend, we need something above 4,760. The market should sustain 4,760. If you have missed our presentation, yesterday's presentation, please go back and see that why we have mentioned why this 4,760 is quite important. So exactly the market took the support at 4,760. Now let us see whether it is sustainable. So after that, there is a bit of consolidation around this zone. So there is a bit of consolidation, but you can see how steady the market is moving. Slowly and steadily the market is moving. You can see, you can even draw a trend line, uptrend line, and it is trying to test this 4,800. We all know that this 4,800 has got a good potential for a resistance. It is also a potential resistance because we had seen that on Friday so many times the market struggled to break this zone. So that is the reason the market closed lower and also opened and came down and tested this 4,760. So it is a potential resistance. So now the market should break this and put something above that to show that it is very clear with the trend. So it is again after a big resistance, there is a consolidation, but you can see how strong the market had broken this resistance. So it took the support around 4,780. After taking resistance here, you can see there was some consolidation and the market dropped a bit, but again it gained momentum and it clearly broke this 4,800. And after breaking this and moving till 4,815 also, the market again came down and it is trying to test this and reconfirm it for a long time. You can see, since it's a major resistance, there is a lot of struggle within the zone, but we can say that the market is taking some support around 4,800, and that pushed the market till 4,820, and the market reached a high of around 4,830 also, around 4,830. And after since we know this is the zone, that is the reason we had marked this as a zone, 4,800 and 4,820. So the market was staying, but at last the market closed near the high around 4,820. That is a very important thing. Closing near the high can always provide a good buying momentum the next day, initially also. So in seeing the entire price action, there is no doubt. So initially there was some selling, but that is for good thing. The market came down, tested this 4,760. So and after that it is clearly dominated by the buyers. And what we can expect today, there is no doubt that today also we can expect the market to stay in line with the momentum. And the expected price opening, and with today we can expect the market to open just above 4,820 and also above the previous days, that is yesterday's high also. Based upon the NYMEX price direction, we can say the market has got the potential to open above the zone, yesterday's trading zone also, but it is subjected to changes based upon the rupee factor. So as we all know that today's rupee is putting a lot of pressure on the price directions of commodities. So let us see around 9 o'clock you can go see where the rupee is staying, and comparing with NYMEX price you can decide how to predict the price openings. But as far as the NYMEX is concerned, and the crude is expected to open above the trading zone of yesterday's trading zone, that means that it has got a good buying potential. And the target zones, as we had mentioned, 4,860, and if the trend is very strong, 900 is also possible, because always crude has a very good trending market. For a long time it was consolidating. Now we expect the crude can show some bit of volatility, and we are witnessing nowadays because there is no doubt today we can go for a buying and we can, and also we request all the traders, again and again we keep on saying this thing, please don't go and sell on tops, unless until you get a confirmation. Don't go and bet against the trend. So staying with the trend always will help you, but staying against the trend is not going to help you anyways in any time in trading. So let us see what's going to happen today during our trading session. And the support zones, you may notice that 4800 has got a good support, and also this 4780 can also act as a potential intermediate support also. So let us see, based upon the price action, please stay with the trend and make use of the trend to the maximum. Thanks a lot for watching our video. Happy trading. Take care. Bye.